Now, over in Manchester, farmers and fisherfolk are breathing a sigh of relief now that Tropical Storm Ian no longer poses a threat to the country. Our reporter Krista Campbell is in the parish and filed this report.
It's after 5 Saturday afternoon and I'm here in the New Forest area of southern Manchester. Now this area is prone to flooding whenever it rains, and farmers say when that happens, they lose big.
In this area, crops like tomato is very delicate, easily damaged whenever time we have excess rain. And so for that reason, whenever time we hear that rain is coming, once we have crops like this out, then it brings a fear upon us. It's serious because this damage from the first rain that we had a few weeks ago.
And talk to me about the extent of the damage then?
Well, I lost everything. I didn't even pick one to go to the market because I don't know if it's because we're coming from the heat and from the heat to the sudden rain that causes this sudden chill upon the crops. And so whenever time we left August approaching September and we hear that there's going to be any form of significant rain, it drives us fearful, knowing that this is what we are going to encounter with.
Because the farming, which I'm talking crop farming now, is done openly by most of the farmers in the New Forest community. There's hardly anything they can do to prevent their crops from being lost. During the August to November insurance coverage season offered by GK Weather Insurance, a number of farmers from the New Forest community have signed up, right? So in other words, they have paid for their insurance premiums, which actually was done by the government. It was a government-sponsored initiative.
I am planning that come next year, this time of the year, anytime from August, I will not put in any more tomato crop, nor melon crop, nor cantaloupe, nor cucumber. I will not, because I realize it's a constant thing. There's not much we can do during the weather pattern. I would think of planting crops that will not be severely affected, right?
Such as?
Probably callaloo or scallion and thyme. Even though the reason why I don't like to plant those crops this time of the year, there's not any great market for those stuff. So the tomato, because right now tomato is $100 a pound in the garden. You understand? So that's the reason why I would want to take this chance rather than to plant a scallion, which is just like $20 a pound.
Now, despite the discontinuation of the tropical storm watch for Jamaica, we'll still continue to keep watch here in southern Manchester, which is prone to flooding during regular rainfall. Reporting from Alligator Pond, Manchester, I'm Krista Campbell for TVJ News.